Hey guys, I haven't done winged eyeliner in the longest time, so here she is. It's just one of those chill days. It's currently throwing it down with rain, so it's actually really cozy right now. I'm chilling by myself. Also, outfit check. Look how cute. And my jeans are like my favorite thing ever, so I put these on today just to be cozy and comfy. Also, look at these flowers that Simon got me the other day. I love these. Thank you, Simon. I'm so lucky, okay? I realise that. I really do. So while we wait for that, I just wanted to show you guys my little collection of magnets here. They are actually in order and I just stick them on my fridge. I feel like you see them in the travel vlogs anyway when I buy them. Up here I have a Cyprus one. I actually have Wales and Scotland missing off here, so I need to go back. Then I've got this Milan one, which I think is one of my favourite ones because it really sticks out if you have a look at that. It's really cool. Switzerland Lugano. This one is it's very simple, but obviously this is probably one of my favourite ones just because it's Paris. And Paris is my all-time favourite, and I actually really like the Cyprus one as well. Dublin, this is my least favourite one. I think it's really ugly, but it's like the only one that I could get. Budapest, stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm so happy that I went with this one. And lastly, my Lake Bled one, which I actually think is really pretty also. That's kind of like similar vibe to Cyprus again. And obviously next month I am off to Croatia, so that will be here. She's so fluffy. She's been on a walk today, so she's been in the rain. So I've just made myself some dinner now. I just got some wraps over there. Me and my mum just went to Asda to do a food shop. So I've just come back and now she's gone out to the charity shop. And I think I'm just going to stay at home and chill because I went the other week, so I thought there's not really much point in going again. Today is giving very autumnal vibes. So at the shop earlier, I got some tomato soup because that's like such a comfort food for me, especially in autumn. And today is very autumnal vibes because it's so gloomy and rainy and I love it. It's my favourite weather ever. So yeah, this is very comfort as well.